In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create AI ads for your clinic using ChatGPT, fully leverage AI, and a few tools that I'm already introducing to you. Now, guys, I spent the last few years running ads for a lot of my clinic clients from aesthetic, wellness, med spa to chiropractic. So really, if you run any clinic in this world, this video is gonna be relevant to you. Before I kind of show you the whole thing, I want to make you understand that making an AI ad, you must start with the basics. So you must know what offer to do, right? What treatment that you're gonna be running. If you're not sure about that, watch my other video in my channel before you watch this video. Let's just assume that you know what offer to do. So let's say you are a chiropractic clinic, right? And you are running a decompression offer. The first thing before we make the visual is the ad copy. I want you to follow the prompt that I'm about to do, okay? Again, guys, this video might take a long time, but I want to give you a very brief foundational understanding. Prompt engineering is very, very important. When you make an ad copy, it's not just most doctors or most marketers, they will go something like, make me an ad copy about my offer, blah, blah, blah. Here's how I do it, and follow the prompt, okay? So you want to do something like, first, you want to have a little foundation of who's going to be writing your ad copy. So you say something like, pretend like you're a world-class direct response copywriter. You are a world-class marketer in the clinical medical field. You also have knowledge. And guys, I'm gonna name some very famous marketers in our generational time, okay? From Sabri Subi, Alex Omozi, maybe Ogilvy. So that's a little foundational. Again, guys, you can expand upon it, but that's kind of enough already. Talk about yourself. Now, I run a chiropractic clinic. My offer is $95 decompression session. I specialize in helping both sports injuries, back pain for senior elders, for example. I want you to write me 3 ad copies from medium to long length. The first sentence or 2 must be short, hook, very, very different angles, very, very unique and different, aiming to catch attention. Something just like that, guys. And include the ad headline per copy as well. 3 copies must contain different angle. Easy as that. So you're just gonna wait for a few seconds and then you're gonna get some really amazing copy. And guys, before I show you what the result is, sometimes it's never gonna be perfect. So if you don't like it, you can always keep on regenerating, improve upon it and give feedback to ChatGPT. There we go. Let's read it. Whoa, it's pretty good. Why back pain keeps coming back? Boom, that's a headline. Not salesy at all, not promotion feel at all. It's very unique. Sitting pain after trying everything. Guys, this line, if you are dealing with pain, you're definitely gonna relate with it because people do stuff like chiropractic, physio, massage, injection, and all these solutions. People will definitely relate like, whoa, you're right. I did try everything and it didn't work. Boom, now you hook them to keep reading more. Here's the truth most people don't hear. Your back pain isn't about tight muscles or bad posture, and the whole thing is very good. That's it. Simple as that. Step 2, age isn't a problem. Pressure is. Whoa, that's another very value-driven copy. You don't have to accept back pain just because you're getting older, guys. If you're an elder or like the elder audience prospect is definitely gonna be hooked to this. Let's see another one. I thought I'd never train again until this. Oh, this is the testimonial style. So look, guys, you get the point, okay? So this is how you generate a very good copy, not just some ChatGPT feel, okay? You want to have a very strong foundation to your prompt engineering. Now, secondly, is an ad. Guys, there's a tool called Leonardo.ai, and if you click on it, it might cost you a little bit of money, probably like $10 to $20, which is not that bad. But guys, you can use Leonardo to make amazing ad. Now, if you watch my other video, I will show you how you can find some really amazing ad inspiration. But just for this video, I'm gonna show you a little quick brief. So you want to click on the ads first before you even kind of go to Leonardo to kind of make some ad research. You want to also find inspiration of what ads to do, so you have something to show Leonardo. Okay, so you want to come to a link called Ads Library, just like that, and you'll come to this link right here, which is search the meta ad library, just like this one. Click all ads and then just kind of do a little bit of a research. Okay, so let's say again, let's get back to the example, which is you are a chiropractor, for example. So do something like back pain decompression. That's probably a very common keyword in your industry, just like that. And then find some really cool ads. So you want to do also a filter as well, guys. You want to come in to just follow what I do. In the tool, you want to make sure it's 2 weeks from today. So you want to see ads that's been running for older than the last 2 weeks. So in this case, I'm going to put like 8th of October and above, just to know what ad has been running for a very long period of time. And just do a little scroll and you want to find some pretty good ad, okay? Again, so sometimes you might not see a good one, so just change with the word maybe decompression only, just to find some really good inspiration. Okay, there we go. This is not bad. So let's say you want to make an ad like this, okay? For example, so obviously this text you can design on your own, you know, with Canva, but you want to make a really good photo. So just come to Leonardo and then type something like this. Generate me a patient lying on a decompression machine and he's dealing with back pain. Maybe have a red light, you know, on his back to show a digital pain. And then wait a few seconds and then you will receive some really interesting image. So let's wait for a few seconds. Whoa, there we go. Now this is not bad, but this is chest. Not back to show the on his back. Not the chest. This is my demo account, but yeah, so I still got another credit. But essentially, guys, you see here, I'm just gonna show you some example. Obviously, this is not a good one. This is like a heart attack or something. But you see how really good it is. Again, I'm not gonna keep prompting it, but you get the point, okay? So make sure you prompt in a way where you generate a good image. If it's me, I will get something just like this. But obviously, this is not back. This is a neck. I mean a chest. So you have to generate the right prompt to it. So guys, that's pretty much it. And using Leonardo, combining with ChatGPT, you can make some very good ad copy and creative combine. And all you need to do is just use Canva, you know, follow the inspiration and then use the photo and then make some really good image. And that's it. But yeah, guys, look, hope you find the video is helpful. Obviously, it's a very brief foundational video. If you want my team to help you scale your clinic with the whole advertising funnel and the whole process, click the link down below. You can book a call with me and my team anytime and we'll give you a free strategy call and see if we can work together or not. But otherwise, I do have other videos on my channel for more helpful content to scale your clinic. Hope you find the videos helpful. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section down below and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.